Welcome, my name is Spiphone A10 Pro, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to remove the screen lock. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold volume up and power key. Okay, so now power key, volume up, hold both of the keys simultaneously. And now we're in boot mode. So from here you will use only volume up to navigate. And with that in mind, select recovery mode and press volume down to confirm it. And I'm not sure if it's going to be the same for everybody, but for me it takes a little bit of time to actually get to the next screen. So if you see the same thing, it looks kind of like it's stuck, just be patient, it should eventually pop up. Okay, so once you see the Android with no command, you want to hold the power key and tap volume up once. So hold, tap. And from the recovery mode, we will then actually use both of the volume keys to navigate. So volume down to go down and up, go up. And when that, and select wipe data factory reset and confirm it with power key. And select yes, delete all user data, and yes with the power key. I should see data wipe complete. There it is. And reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key to reboot the system. Wait for it to actually reboot. It might take a minute or so, so just be patient. And that device should be ready to be used without any kind of screen lock or anything. Okay. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and if I try to unlock it, there is no more screen lock. So that is basically how you would perform this process, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.